Hi guys, welcome back to my nasty, dirty workbench. I got to get off my butt and get this thing cleaned up. Anyway, if you're like me, you are on medications for this and that and the other. You get these big bottles from Wally World or wherever at. Well, I'm tired of having my motors attracting everything. This is an old RC10 motor that's been laying on the desk, and it's just attracting everything, so I need to get everything off it. And I was sitting here thinking a little while ago, I'm like, I wonder if any of these motors will fit in pill bottles, the bigger pill bottles that I got. So what I did, I took the 17.5 double down motor, put it in there, and whammo, no problem, fits good. So then I had a crawler motor that I had that's brushed, and it fit a little tighter. It's got the wires on it, and the shaft came out right at the very top, but it fit. Which there again, if it don't, just drill a hole in the center and run the shaft up in a little bit so that it'll fit. Not a big deal. Then here again, my Just Stock 10.5 that's going in my custom work sprint car. Bam, taken care of, protected. So it's a nice, easy way. You can just set them all together. You got all your motors protected. You don't have to worry about them attracting everything. And it's a good way to keep them organized. And that's kind of funny coming from me when I'm talking about organization with the mess I've got. But anyway, no, just like I said, I get these bottles all the time, and might as well put them to good use. They're free. So hopefully this helps you guys get your motors in a little bit of a better situation. And yeah, hopefully it'll work. So, guys, take care. I'm glad you checked out the channel, checked out the video. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Glad you found it. And you guys take care. Thanks for watching.